I'm sure you've heard the news. Smoky eyes are back, and they're bolder than ever. Get ready to slay. Hey beauties, today we're mastering the ultimate smoky eye makeup look, perfect for any special occasion. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we need that smoky eye to last all night, so grab your eyeshadow primer. No primer? No problem. A bit of concealer will do the trick. Next, blend a black, brown, or grey eyeshadow into your crease. This is your transition shade. It adds depth and helps everything blend seamlessly. Now, let's add some drama. Pack a deep black or charcoal shade on the outer corner and blend, blend, blend. Use a fluffy brush for the softest look. For that sultry vibe, smudge black eyeliner along your upper and lower lash lines. Gel or kohl liners work wonders here. And of course, bold lashes are a must. Pop on some falsies or layer up that volumizing mascara. Finally, balance those bold eyes with nude or soft pink lips. And there you have it, the ultimate smoky eye look. Comment below with your go-to smoky shades and don't forget to like and subscribe.